Alright, hey guys, Bro here, and I have an update on the game I have made, and I have to give a lot of props, I guess you can say, to this guy right here, Soren Parashkiv. Sorry, I don't know if I said your name right, but this guy has been helping me with a lot of stuff and understanding it. You know, things that like I can't just find. Like I've been having trouble finding just searching on Google. You know, he can answer it right in there, and he's a really smart dude, and he's been helping me out with this. And he hasn't been doing all the work though, so it's not like I've just been taking what he's done. I've had to edit some things on this last one that he was helping me with, and you know, so it's not like I'm just totally lazing out and not doing anything. Just on, you know, but he has helped me and made it a lot. And I'm still in the learning process, so I mean that's what I need. I don't have like a teacher for programming yet till next year, so yeah. And the program so far, that's what I got. Game for I actually have two I want to show, and this is the very newest one that I like the best, and it has auto thing. And as you can see, I changed it from it saying choose a direction to go to just WASD to make it a little bit better. If I just press W, it says you went forward automatically. Same A, S is back. D says you went right, and anything else, it'll say you went crazy and ends the program. And I guess I'll show you the code for that right now. I think I'm gonna go over it a little bit, and so if I look at this, of course, this right here, include namespace, that's the include iOS stream. I think that's IO stream, maybe. That's how you pronounce it. That is the header for doing count and uh, variables, I think, exactly. And then he helped me making it to where you don't have to press enter. He added pretty much all of this stuff. So he had to add two new headers and Getch, which I thought that Getch only worked on Windows, but I guess it doesn't. And I'm still, I mean, it's right here. I don't know what to say. It's just cool that he helped me with this, but yeah, it's right here. I don't exactly understand it. I'll have to, of course, look into it a lot more. But so pretty much all this right here, and like right here, that's pretty much what he added that made it be able to auto accept. And then down here is where it has the variables, and he actually, when he rewrote it for me to make it auto accept and add that stuff, he had it set up a different way. And you know, when I would press something else like K, for example, it would end the program and say you went crazy. Well, he had that to where it was along with the other ones. It would say you went crazy, but it wouldn't end the program. So I had to fix that up, and of course, knowing me, it probably would have took what's his name? Probably would have took Soren like half a minute to do. It took me like probably 20 minutes. But I got it all fixed up, and so now it works really smoothly, and I think I'm very proud of it. And yeah, I don't. Well, if you know this, these are all in separate little. I don't think it's a string. I don't know what to call it, but they're each in separate little ones, and so they each at the end of them go to the begin. For example, in this one, on the else, it returns 0, which ends the program. And yeah, and also, of course, char letter instead of integer, like I had in my last video, I'm pretty sure. I think I had it set as integer in my last one with 1, 2, 3, and 4. That was an old version. But now it's char letter, and I found that out also. Problem was I was having I was putting, like, for example, just W. I found out later that I need to put those things. And, yeah. Well, that's the program for this. And then, my other one that I want to show off is one with the sleep command, and it's kind of cool. So this is 3. And, this one, of course, it works like that. You have to press enter, and it waits a second. And, it works like that. And then, of course, something else will say you went crazy. And, but I can do, like, WA is my example I like to use. And it'll say you went forward, and a second later, you went left. A second later, you went forward. A second later, you went left. And, I could do, like, WA and then something else, and it'll say you went forward, you went left, and then you went crazy and stop. But if I were to do like WAK and W, it would say you went forward, you went left, then it would stop and not go on, which I found out why that is, and I'm going to show you the code right now. And the reason why because for like in an integer, if I were to have done integer and not char for these, it would have if I would have typed in, like, when I had it set 1 2 3 4, if I would have said 1 2 3 4, it's an integer, so it would have read it as 1234, and so it would have gave me an else. But char reads, from what I understand, it reads one character at a time, so it'll only read one of these at a time. You get what I mean? You get what I'm saying here? So when I type in WA, it'll read the W first, then it'll go to the begin, and then it, like, reads the A, and then, you know? And, also, I had this at integer stop. When I was making this, I did not look into what I would write to end it, so I just wrote integer stop, and it worked, so I left it at that. But now I know that I can put return 0, and that would work, but I'm just gonna keep it at that for sake of time. And of course, I see this is old. I still don't exactly, because a lot of this stuff I find that I don't really need, and it kind of bugs me having some things. But of course, I wrote some little notes here too on the side. Sleep possible. Yes, this with the sleep, I had to put unistd.h to make the sleep command or string or whatever possible in Linux. And of course, yes. And I guess that's all I really got. I think I might post this somewhere, like maybe on Mediafire. I don't have a what's that one? Paste. I don't have a thing for that. So if anybody would like to download this stuff wherever I'm gonna have a link, that'll be it. I think actually I might just put it on Mediafire, because I'm pretty sure you can, when you go to download a text file, you can just view it. I don't know if that'll work though. But anyways, just to let you know, if you don't know how to actually run it, which I would find odd if you're even thinking about downloading it. Maybe not, because I had trouble with that. That's actually when I first started programming. I downloaded something. But what you want to do is, you want to take, for example, my game 4. I'm going to have game 4 and game 3 up for download. Game4.cpp, you would just stick that in your home. And then, since it's CPP, you'd actually have to download oh gosh, what is it? You have to install a certain program. It's called, like, GPP or something, and that lets you compile C++ documents. So then once you have that installed, GPP or whatever, look it up. I can't remember exactly what it was a long while ago. You do make, and then the name of the program is game 4, so game 4, and then it would make it, but I already have it made, of course. And yeah, then to run it, of course you've seen me run it, and you do like game 4, and then yeah. Well, that's all. I think this is pretty long video. But I don't know, I felt like I got my point across. And I don't know what else to say. Peace. See y'all later.